Yo, it's the I'm doing this bathroom floor from start to finish, so hopefully I don't miss anything out. But this is the same procedure as what I did on the other side. Pop that in there, like so. That goes there. Oh, beautiful. Absolute bloody gorgeous. Dee 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 dee. The lovely thing is, DIYs, is with that being dead center of the strip drain, and it's all dead center of the whole shower itself, it all works out to nice even pieces, and it looks right. It looks professional, and that's what it's all about. What's the word? Symmetrical. Tiling is all about centralizing everything you can. I was a little bit worried about that. In the middle of the night, I was thinking about that cut. I thought, well, I hope it's not going to be smaller than that width, and it's not. So everything's brilliant. That cut there is longer than there. That floor cut there is longer than that wall cut, so I'll be going up there nicely. Lovely. That fits together nicely like that. See the tilt? I've got the tilt exactly the same as over there. It's cool. Right, I've got to mix up some more glue, so I'll come back to you shortly.